In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Blessed One title here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, before you even get into the process of doing this, what I'd recommend doing is actually opening up your inventory, going to this little title section, and it's going through until you see the blessed one on here, just like so. Now, what you need to do in order to get this, if it's locked for you, you can click on it and it's going to tell you your current progress, but you have to defeat a total of 250 bosses. You can track the title progress in this exact same section if it's not currently unlocked for you. What I would do if you want to get it extremely quickly is go to the boss summoner, turn on auto spawns for the night boss, and just continuously spawn this guy in, just because she pretty much has like no health, so you can like one tap her, especially if you're like, later on in the game. This title is pretty good because it gives you that luck boost, which does help with getting better drops, but the method's simple. Just keep farming bosses, specifically this night boss right here because it's super quick, until you hit 250 boss kills, and then of course you can get that title. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.